Hey everyone,
Hey.
Adam and Sahra here from The Green Executive.
Hello, hello.
Hope you're doing well on your Thursday evening.
I like your wig.
My wig, I
Yeah.
got a haircut.
No, the green.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, the wisteria behind me. Guys and gals, we have some exciting news that we are hosting a special event coming up. And we'd like to share that with you all of our profiteers inside the Profit First group. You're the first to kind of hear about this. So, are you ready? Here you go.
Sure.
September 28th through 30th, we will be hosting the Profit First for Landscapers Conference and Facility Tour here in St. Louis.
Yes.
And we're going to have some fun. We have a lot of great things planned already. And so, Sahra, you want to talk a little bit about it?
It's coming together, yes. So our friend and colleague, Brian Fotenauer, has graciously opened his doors to Timberline Landscapes. So it is a quality company here in St. Louis, and we're going to get to go visit him and his team and take a peek at how they're doing things and provide feedback to them on what we see and information exchange with them, which we're really excited about.
So kind of what it looks like is the 28th, which is Wednesday evening, we're going to get together for some Top Golf, some appetizers, because we all know we all love to eat, right? And we're going to just meet everybody, have a good time, get together Wednesday evening for some Top Golf and some food. And then Thursday, the 29th, is going to be educational sessions all day. So we have a lot of great speakers that we already have confirmed and some that are just saying, yes, I think I can do it. Let me double check my calendar. Kinds of great
stuff. We like
stuff.
to work, we like to relax, and we like to eat. But if you know me, if I'm going to an event, I'm going to the event, and I'm there to learn, and I'm there to do what the event is all about. So we are going to work too. Like 29th is working. Like we are working all day. You're going to need to take notes. You're going to want to take all of these ideas back home with you. That is our goal, is for you to get full.
So there you go. So yeah, so Thursday is educational events all day. A lot of great speakers. We have a agenda that we're finalizing here very shortly that we'll be pushing out soon as well. And then Friday morning, we're going to be, like what Sahra said, over at Timberline Landscapes, which is a multi-million-dollar company here in St. Louis, specializes in high-end residential landscape design build, as well as a lot of HOA maintenance, does a lot of great work there as well. Touring his place, meeting with his marketing team, his sales team, his production team, seeing how his business operates. And you know what's really quite amazing is, Sahra, is that his business is so big, but he's operating on such a small space. And he talks about that a lot. So we're going to see that as well. So that's really cool. And then we'll have lunch with him and his team, a few more educational sessions on Friday afternoon. Then we're just going to go from there. So, maybe look at other things that St. Louis has to offer for the weekend if you decide to stay a little bit longer after Friday afternoon.
So we wanted to share that with you, and hopefully you're going to pencil that into your calendar so you can plan on joining us.
So there you go. So stay tuned. More information to come here very shortly, September 28th through 30th, Wednesday evening through Friday evening. We hope you can pencil it on your calendar. Take care, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Have a good night. Bye.